Chapter 5, Images in a Document. So we are reading OpenOffice Writer, and in this chapter we'll learn about how to insert images in a document. So let's start this chapter. First, we have to create a fontwork object in OpenOffice Writer. So let's start with this topic, how to create a fontwork object. So we have to follow some steps to create fontwork. So first step is just click on view menu. So we have different menu in our OpenOffice Writer, that is view, we have view, insert, format, tools. So these are the menu we have. To create fontwork object, we have to click on view menu, and when we click on view menu we will find a drop down, and from there you have to select toolbar, and then another drop down we have, and we have to enable fontwork toolbars. So you will find the option, there is fontwork toolbar present, and you have to enable that. Step 2, just click the fontwork gallery icon on the fontwork toolbar. So when you click on fontwork toolbar, you have to select the fontwork gallery icon. And now step 3, fontwork gallery dialog box will open. So when you click on fontwork gallery dialog box will open, and now you can select desired fontwork style, and then you can click on OK. And now you have to insert fontwork object. So when you select the fontwork style, your desired fontwork style, now you have to insert the object. So for that you have to double click on the object. So just double click the object to activate text edit mode. So when you double click, it will activate text edit mode. And step 2, just replace the default fontwork text. You will find there fontwork is the default text in the fontwork object, and you have to replace that fontwork default text with your own text. So whatever you want to write there, just write, and after that just press escape to exit. So in this way you will able to insert fontwork object in Writer. So just look at this image. We have to click on view menu and select toolbars. After that you have to select fontwork, and then fontwork gallery icon will open, and from there you have to double click on object to activate the text editor mode. And here I have written my text computer, and you can insert your desired text also there. And after that you have to press escape key to exit the text edit mode. Next point, we have to edit fontwork attributes. So to edit the fontwork attributes, we have to follow this step. Step 1, just click the fontwork object. You have to click the fontwork object and select the properties from the drawing object properties toolbar. So what can be the properties? Properties are like line width, line color, fill style. So these are the fontwork drawing object properties, and you have to set or select these properties from drawing object properties toolbar. The fontwork toolbar with fontwork gallery icon have these icons. So you will find these icons there: fontwork shape, fontwork small letter heights, fontwork alignment, fontwork character spacing. So these are some options, these are the icons you will find there, and we will study one by one what are the function it has. Okay, so first we will start with fontwork shape. Fontwork shape is used to change the shape of the selected fontwork. So whatever you have selected the fontwork style, so this fontwork shape is used to change the shape of the selected fontwork. Fontwork small letter heights. In this option you will find this is used to change the height of the characters of the fontwork. So whatever the text or whatever the font we have, So we can change the height of the characters by using this option. Third options we have Third option we have fontwork alignment. And alignment is used to specify the alignment of the text within the fontwork frame from the choices available. So we have different alignment there, and you can just select your desired alignment to set the alignment of the text within the fontwork frame. Last options you will find there fontwork character spacing, and this is used to select the desired spacing between the characters. So what are the characters we have in our fontwork? So we use this character spacing to select the space between characters. So these are the options, these are the icons you will find in fontwork gallery. I have inserted some images here. Just look, first options we have fontwork shape. You can look, you can see there different shapes are there. And second we have fontwork alignment, the left align, center, right. So these are the alignment you will find in fontwork alignment. And we have fontwork same letter heights. It is used to change the height of the characters in the object. And we have fontwork character spacing. So you can see the tight, normal, loose, very loose. These are the options you will find in this character spacing, and it is used to select the desired spacing between characters. So next we have to insert picture in the document. So how do we insert picture or images in our document? So first step, just open the document and click on the required place in document. So you have to click where you want to insert the picture. And step 2, just click on insert. You have to click on insert menu and then go to picture and select from file. And now select a picture from file explorer. So whatever the picture you want to insert, just select the picture from the file explorer. And step 4, click open to add the selected image to the document. And you have to click open to add the picture in your document. So in this way, by following this step, we can insert picture in our document. As you can see here, to insert picture in the document, we have to select insert menu. Just go to the insert menu and then select picture, and after that you have to choose from file. And when you choose from file, picture file explorer will open. The picture is open there, and now you have to just select your desired picture and click open to add the picture to the document. And you will find the picture or whatever the image you have selected to insert in your document, that is appear on your document in OpenOffice Writer. So this is the way to insert picture into our document.